Rodolfo Valentino Padilla Fernandez, March 3, 1952, June 7, 2008, better known as Rudy Fernandez or Daboy, was a Filipino actor and producer. He came to prominence as an action star in Philippine cinema during the 1970s up to the 1990s. Fernandez was born on March 3, 1952, at Mary Johnston Hospital in Tondo, Manila. He was the eldest son of dentist and filmmaker Gregorio Fernandez and Paz Padilla, daughter of Jose Padilla Sr. Both his parents were from Lubao, Pampanga, which he considered his hometown. He made his film debut at the age of 3, appearing in Luksang Tagumpay 1956, which was directed by his father. He also appeared in another film of his father's, Emily 1960. Fernandez's mother committed suicide in their home in 1957 due to postpartum depression, while one of his brothers also committed suicide out of fear of being punished for his actions by his father. Fernandez started his active film career while a student at the University of Santo Tomas, when he was signed to a contract by Sampaguita Pictures in 1970. He was first featured by Sampaguita Pictures in For Your Mama 1970, then paired with Connie Angelis in Sweet Matatina 1970. Fernandez spent the next few years in teenage parts until he made his breakthrough as an action star with Bite in C. Baby Ama, 1976. His viability as an action star was further enhanced with the box office success of A.N.G. Leon, A.N.G. Tigret, A.N.G. Alamed 1979. Beginning with Baby Ama, a biopic of a well-known Filipino criminal, Fernandez specialized in portraying true-to-life characters. One of his notable action films is Marking Bungo Skullmark, a film based on a true story, where he portrayed the well-known Baguio police officer Bobby Ortega, was released in 1992. From this film came a signature line of Fernandez's, Walong Personalan, Trabaho lang, strictly business, nothing personal, which has since been cited as among the most memorable quotes in Philippine cinema. Iligpit si Bobby Ortega, Marking Bungo to execute Bobby Ortega, Skullmark 2 is a sequel that was released in 1995. Aside for portraying a real police officer, he was cast in the lead roles for the biopics of Filipino politicians Alfredo Limit, Vincent Crisologo, and Ping Lacson. In the film La Galig, the Eda Fernandez story, he starred as Eda Fernandez, a Filipino actor during the 1970s and the father of Pops Fernandez. With the decline of production of Filipino action films during the 2000s, Fernandez turned to television roles. In the short-lived GMA Network sitcom Daboy and Da Girl, he starred opposite Rosanna Rosas. He also played as a supporting role in other TV series in GMA like Twin Hearts and Atlantica. He was also the host of the docu-drama Kasanga. Fernandez has won Fama's Best Actor awards for the action films Batugas, Pasuku in CY 1984, and Operation Get Victor Corpus, The Rebel Soldier 1988. In addition to these wins, Famas has also nominated Rudy Fernandez an additional 13 times from 1976 to 1998. He also won the FAP Best Actor awards for Batugas and for Byrador 1998. In 2007, Famas awarded him the Fernando Po Jr. Memorial Award the next year. The Philippine Movie Press Club, PMPC, bestowed the 2008 Uliring Artista Lifetime Achievement Award to Rudy Fernandez at the 24th PMPC Star Awards for Movies. He was also the recipient of the Film Academy of the Philippines FPJ Lifetime Achievement Award. Fernandez's hometown was Lubao, Pampanga. He was a member of the Padilla family in his maternal side. Actress Merle Fernandez was his sister. Robin, Bibi Gandanghari, and Rommel Padilla were his cousins, and Jaja Padilla was his niece. He had two sons, Rafael Fernandez and Renz Fernandez, with Lorna Tolentino, his wife, and one son, Mark Anthony Fernandez, with former partner Alma Marino. During the 2001 elections, Fernandez ran for mayor of Quezon City under the banner of Laban NG Demokratikong Pilipinos Puwersa NG Masa, although he garnered most of the votes in District 2 where the voters were composed mostly of indigent citizens. He lost in the remaining 3 districts and was defeated by then House Speaker Sonny Belmonte of the People Power Coalition. In 2007, it was revealed by Lorna Tolentino on Startic that her husband had been diagnosed with periampullary cancer. Fernandez underwent treatment in Tokyo, Japan. After a healing mass on May 10, 2008, by several friends at the Christ the King Church, Quezon City, he was rushed to a San Juan hospital for back pains. The Sun Star reported that Fernandez was actually suffering from pancreatic cancer. Instead, Fernandez celebrated his 25th wedding anniversary with Lorna Tolentino on June 1, 2008. He suffered a seizure 3 days later on June 4th. But refused to be taken back to the Cardinal Santos Memorial Center in San Juan. Fernandez died from periampullary cancer at his home in Quezon City on the morning of June 7, 2008. His remains were brought to the Heritage Park in Taguig City, and his interment took place on June 12, 2008 at 3 p.m. for his burial. He was survived by his wife, sons, and cousins. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.